Well, I guess it's my home's turn tonight. Yeah, she ain't condensing. That's pretty dry. It's been dry for a minute, I think. Fans running. No heat though. Ooh. That's not what I wanted to see. That's not what I wanted to see at all. What's interesting is she's not totally frozen. She stopped about right here. Fan is running. Oh gosh. Yeah, that's pretty froze up right there. So I'm gonna try to speed up this process here. We'll see if it works. I'm not sure if it will. Might not. Might end in catastrophe. But this thing is a heat pump, I think. Pretty sure it's a heat pump. Let's see. I don't know if y'all see that. There's a reversing valve right there. Okay. That's a terrible picture of that, but that's what it is. I'm gonna try running it in heat mode. See if it'll thaw up. Thawing pretty rapidly. Definitely should have made sure that was secured better. Oh, that just happened. Yeah, we're pretty close thawed. Now I'm gonna very carefully, because I could probably very easily lose a hand in this scenario. So I wouldn't suggest this to anybody ever. We're pretty close thawed. I'm not completely thawed, but we're getting there. Hey, would you look at that? Now it's dripping. The plan is try to get this panel, this top panel off, so I can get access to the coil that's dirty. I'd call it the evap coil, but since it's a heat pump, it kind of reverse rolls. And I'd call it the indoor coil, but they're both outdoor coils. So I'm going to call it outdoor coil number 2, I guess. I don't work on packaging this very much. Matter of fact, almost never. It's kind of nice though, it's all in the same place, you know, and that's nice, you know. Now my indoor filter was kind of dirty, but so hopefully that was just the issue, but it probably doesn't help that the coil was dirty as well. So we're going to try to clean it off and hope that gets us through. I'm not sure what's going on here, to be honest. I don't know why it doesn't work. Okay. So that's how that works. It's really not that bad, all things considered. Well, it's not that great. That didn't help there as well. So I ended up just taking the other top off too, so I can get better access to this coil here. Maybe clean up some of that nonsense while I'm at it. Because that tray is full of stuff. Yummy. Delicious. It's really not that bad, honestly. It's kind of incredible, actually. There's another piece of trash, though. Sure that don't help. It's probably due for this, honestly. Probably due. So I made the mistake of cleaning this coil right here, because now it's rejecting too much heat in this cold weather. Probably would have zero issues right now if I hadn't cleaned it. So I think it definitely might have something just to do with the outside tank being too cold. The bummer is it's colder than it is inside, which is fine. I guess we can crack the window, but man, for security reasons, who wants to do that in this world anymore, you know what I'm saying? Dancing around 32, 33 right now. We're gonna leave it at that. That'll get us through the night, I think, for sure. And then, because we're already dropped the temp in the house, which is a little close, but we are condensing instead of freezing, which is a good sign. So. We got condensate coming out of our drain. We'll see how it does through the night. I'm gonna go get some caps. With the lower heat load outside, it's like I know it's like higher temp inside the house than it is outside right now. So I just feel like that's gonna give us a lower pressure on our low side than in a normal circumstance where it's like probably 15, 20 degrees hotter outside than it is inside. So, you know, I got her to where she shouldn't freeze on us. It's a little bit of refrigerant. That was the goal anyways. After, of course, all the oils have been cleaned off and new filter and whatnot.